You need to practice belly dance, but you can't stand to be indoors for one more moment today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get in some belly dance practice while you're on a walk on the beach. Stay with me. Marhaba dancers, I am Jensuya, helping you to achieve your belly dance dreams with the technique and culture of belly dance. For the next several minutes as we walk along the beach, we're going to practice our traveling steps, we're going to layer on some arm movements, and I'm going to teach you how to do this in time with the music when you don't have any music playing. I'm also going to clue you into some of my personal philosophy and my little tricks and things that I've developed over the years to help me be an improvisational belly dancer. Let's get started. Okay, so this glorious day, and I'm just going to start walking to get sort of warmed up. I'm staying nice and lifted in my sort of belly dance pose, and you know, this is really easy to do right now because there is nobody on this beach. It is glorious, so I feel, you know, less self-conscious than I would in front of a lot of people. And that's the first tip that I want to give you. In order to psych yourself to perform, even if you're a very beginner or somebody with a little bit more experience, it can be hard to just put yourself out there because to really give a great show, as well as having great technique, which is totally awesome, which is a never-ending creative pursuit, you have to be willing to be vulnerable, put your soul out there, and not be afraid to look silly or stupid or like some crazy old person, you know, up on the stage. So next thing, after you try to let go of your self-consciousness, because really this is great practice for being on stage, you have to kind of forget about yourself. I'm walking here, and I'm just walking now, and I'm thinking 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm chanting in a 4-beat rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the only thing I'm doing here is I'm trying to stay nice and lifted here. I'm not doing any belly dance move in my hips. I'm not trying to isolate there because I'm just getting warmed up and I'm going with my rhythm. And I'm snapping with this hand. And now I'm going to snap with the other hand because it's harder. And that's what we want to do. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I'm going to start chanting the rhythm Beledi, also called Masmudi Sakhir, which means little Masmudi. And it's like the quintessential, you hear me say it, rhythm of the Middle East. So I'm going to go doom doom tekka tek, doom tekka tek, doom doom tekka tek, doom tekka tek, tekka doom doom tekka tek, doom tekka tek, doom doom tekka tek, doom tekka tek, doom doom tekka tek, doom tekka tek, tekka doom doom tekka, doom tekka tek, tekka doom doom tekka tek. Tek, tekka, doom, doom, tekka, tek, doom, tekka, tek. So all I'm doing here is, again, not isolating. I'm trying to get that beat and rhythm in my body. I'm trying to feel the music. I'm hearing it in my head. That's how you internalize it. And that is the number one thing. The number one thing for doing improv is feeling the music inside. It starts with the beat and rhythm. So that's what we're doing. Let's take it in the other direction. Here we go. And already feeling a little bit warmed up and great. Stepping on the first doom. Doom, doom, tekka, tek, doom, tekka, tek, tekka, doom, doom, tekka, tek, doom, tekka, tek, tekka, doom, doom, tekka, tek, doom, tekka, tek, tekka, doom, doom, tekka, tek, doom, tekka, tek. 1, 2, 3, 4. Doom, doom, tekka, tek, doom, tekka, tek. And I'm just grooving with the beat and the rhythm. And I'm hearing that drum in my head. Doom, tekka, tek, tekka, doom, doom, tekka, tek, doom, tekka, tek. Now I'm going to start to isolate a little bit with my moves. So I'm going to stop for a minute, check my posture, which you can check out on another video. You know, we have the videos, lots of them on posture and posture practice. So down, and I'm back here, and I'm nice and lifted, feeling the gorgeous wind, and here we go. And I'm going to start with doom, doom, tekka, tek, doom, tekka, tek, tekka, doom, doom, tekka, tek, doom, tekka, tek. So I'm basically doing a hip slide as I walk, which I call the belly dance sway. And You've probably already seen that video. Check it out again if you need to in order to refine your technique. It's actually, I find it one of the hardest moves to do. Maybe because I'm really tight right here in these muscles, QL, the muscle of the day, and I find it very hard. Now what we're trying to do is keep my feet going in a straight direction. Let's take a look at my feet now as I walk this. So I'm walking the belly dance sway. I'm pushing my hips out as I walk, but my feet are right next to each other. So all of the side movement is going into my hips. Doom, doom, teka, tek, doom, teka, tek, teka, doom, doom, teka, tek, doom, teka, tek. I'm keeping my knees bent, my chest lifted, and I'm just on my walk on the beach. And doom, doom, teka, tek, doom, teka, tek, doom, doom, teka, tek, doom, teka, tek, teka, 1, 2, 3, 4, doom, doom, teka, tek, doom, teka, tek. So after a while, that gets a little bit boring, or I'm like, I want to change this up a little bit, and I'm going to do a twisting walk. But again, with the beat and rhythm, I'm chanting. Here we go. And doom, doom, teka, tek, doom, teka, tek, teka, doom, doom, teka, tek, doom, teka, tek. Staying nice and lifted in my walk. So I've got my arms up here in a what I call a basic belly dance position. Now, if you're taking a walk and there's lots of other people and you just feel too self-conscious, just let your arms hang, which I will tell you is another excellent way to practice, because it's like you're very, a lot of tension in the hips and legs. You're trying to keep really great technique, but you're just relaxing your arms, but nice and lifted, because you're like, nobody can tell that I'm practicing my belly dance as I walk along here. But if you want to make a show of it, and like, why not? Because then you could say, hey, come see my performance at the next Hoffler or whatever. You can bring your arms up. Doom, doom, teka, tek, doom, teka, tek, teka, doom, doom, teka, tek, doom, teka, tek. Teka, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Belly dance practice while we're on the beach. If you guys are loving this, if you're doing it with me, stop for a minute and smash the like button. Say, loving this, Jensuya. Let's turn it around, head up the beach again, and we'll practice both of those together. And I'm gonna practice it with starting with my other leg, my non-dominant leg. I tend to start things on the right, and I'm working really hard on starting with the left because it changes everything in your brain. So just try this with your non-dominant side. Ready? And we'll start with a twisting walk and then go to the sway. Ready? And doom, doom, teka, tek, doom, teka, tek, teka, doom, doom, teka, tek, doom, teka, tek, doom, doom, teka, tek, doom, teka, tek, teka, doom, doom, teka, tek. Now to a sway. Doom, doom, teka, tek, doom, teka, tek, teka, doom, teka, tek, doom, teka, tek, teka, doom, doom, teka, tek, doom, teka, tek, doom, doom, teka, tek, to a twist. Doom, doom, teka, tek, doom, teka, tek, doom, doom, teka, tek, doom, teka, tek. Twist, 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 twist and sway, 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 sway and twist, 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 twist and sway, 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 sway and twist, 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 twist and sway, 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 twist, 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 twist and sway, 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 sway. Doom, doom, teka, tek, doom, teka, tek, teka, doom, doom, teka, tek, teka, tek, teka, doom, doom, teka, tek, doom, teka, tek, teka, doom, doom, teka, tek, teka, tek. Doom, doom, teka, tek, doom, teka, tek, teka, doom, doom, teka, tek, doom, teka, tek, doom, doom, teka, tek, doom, teka, tek, teka, doom, teka, tek, doom, teka, tek, teka, doom, 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 teka, tek, teka, doom, doom, teka, tek, doom, teka, tek. Are you doing this with me? Let's say you actually don't want to go outside. You can do this right at home in the living room. Play this on your smart TV. Do it along with me. You'll see the ocean with us, which if you're up in the north where it's snowy, it'll be great. Let's add in the arms. Again, chanting our beat and rhythm, doing our twisting walk and our sway, and we're gonna do our arms with the 4-beat phrases. Here we go. Doom, doom, teka, tek, doom, teka, tek, teka, doom, doom, teka, tek, doom, teka, tek, doom, doom, teka, tek, doom, teka, tek, teka, doom, doom, teka, tek, doom, teka, tek, teka, doom, doom, teka, tek, doom, teka, tek, doom, doom, teka, tek, doom, teka, tek, teka, doom, doom, teka, tek, teka, tek, teka, doom, doom, teka, tek, doom, teka, tek, teka, doom, doom, teka, tek, teka, doom, doom, teka, tek, doom, teka, tek, teka, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beats to do the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beats to do the arms. You can check out our tutorial on snake arms, also filmed on the beach. You can see I love the beach. And in that, I go super, super slowly. And you can see very clearly we go into technique on that. So here we go. Doom, doom, taka-tak, doom, taka-tak. Doom, doom, taka-tak, doom, taka-tak, taka, doom, doom, taka-tak, doom, taka-tak. Doom, doom, taka-tak, doom, taka-tak. Voila! How to practice your belly dance while you're out on a walk. Hey dancers, if you enjoyed this, smash the like button. Again, if you haven't already, leave me a comment and tell me what works for you if you have pulled tricks, and especially after you go out and do this, I want to hear about how that went for you, and especially the self-conscious thing. I mean, it's easy right now because there's nobody on this beach. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and hit that notification bell to make sure that you get every one of our videos that we upload each Monday, and sometimes on Thursdays too. What to watch next? If you want to work out, you can check out our playlist of 5-minute workouts, which are like drills with Drummer Bob drumming live, or you can check out a technique so that you can refine your moves. Masalama, we'll see you on the next video.